Howdy, and welcome to another installment of TAMU HPRC's video tutorial series. Today, I will be showing you how to load modules with ACES Hierarchical Module System. If you are already not familiar with the module system, I suggest watching the video from the previous series before proceeding. We have a lot of different software packages installed on our clusters, and for most softwares, there are multiple versions built with various toolchains. To manage all these versions, we use modules, and before you can use the software, you will need to have correct modules. On ACES, softwares are loaded with the hierarchical module system. What it means is, to load your target module, you will need to load the dependency modules first. The dependencies are the tool chains that are used to build the software. As an example, we will use an R version that was built using GCC and OpenMPI, as you can see in the figure. Here you can see that the dependency OpenMPI was built using GCC compiler, and the R version was built on top of GCC and OpenMPI. In the hierarchical module system, you will have to load the dependent modules first. To further demonstrate this, I will be loading R 4.3.1 on the ACES cluster. After successfully logging in, I'll use the module spider command to search for our target module. Here, we are looking for our 4.3.1 version. Copy the name of the module, then use module spider, the name that you've just copied. Here, it will list all the dependencies that needs to be loaded before the target module. For this example, there is only one toolchain available to be loaded. Just something to keep in mind that there can be more than one toolchains available to load a particular software. In that case, you just have to load any one of the toolchains. I will copy the dependency modules. Now, I will be using module load command to load the dependency module and the target module. On a side note, not all modules require you to load the base dependency modules. So after you have searched for the specific module you're looking for, I strongly recommend reading the description message that is being displayed. Here, as you can see, the module has been successfully loaded. You can also use module list command to check for all the modules that have been loaded. And in case you want to see what other modules that can be loaded with a particular base dependency, you can simply use module avail. That's it for this video. Please check out other instructional videos for more information on ACES. Thank you.